everyone, our daily current affairs video লৈ আপোনালোকক স্বাগতম জনাইছো। So, আমি start কৰো। First কি আছে? Forest Martyrs Day. So, India has stepped up its environmental protection measures by strengthening pollution monitoring in sensitive ecosystems like Kaziranga National Park. So, যোনখিনি protected areas আছে যেনেকে Kaziranga National Park, তাত pollution monitoring strengthen কৰিবলে কৰিছে ইণ্ডিয়াই, ঠিক আছে। কাৰণ কি হৈছে অন ফৰেষ্ট মাৰ্টাৰ্ছ ডেট অফিচিয়েলসকলে হাইলাইট কৰিছে যে ফ্ৰণ্টলাইন ফৰেষ্ট পাৰ্চনেলসকলে কিমান ৰিস্ক ফেচ কৰে কিহৰ কাৰণে পোচিং ৱাইল্ড লাইফ এটেক্স এণ্ড এনভাইৰমেণ্টেল হাজাৰ্ডছৰ কিমান ৰিস্ক ফেচ কৰে, ঠিক আছে। দিছ আণ্ডাৰস্ক'ৰ্ছ the importance of robust pollution and ecological monitoring system to protect both natural heritage and human lives. Okay, here related eta MCQ ami sao. With reference to pollution and ecological monitoring, consider that amak sarita statement the correct lage. First to ki koise Kaziranga National Park is a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its role in conserving the one-horned rhino. So Kaziranga National Park কি হয় এটা এখন UNESCO World Heritage Site হয় আৰু কাৰণে জনা যায় one horn rhinos conserve কৰাৰ কাৰণে। So statement 1 is correct. 2 কৈছে forest martyrs commemorates personnel who lost their life নিজৰ প্ৰাণ হেৰুৱাইছিলে in protecting forest আৰু wildlife and natural ecosystem. Correct. 3 to কি হয় the Central Pollution Control Board is responsible for monitoring pollution levels in wildlife sanctuaries across India. So it is half correct, half incorrect, ঠিক আছে। So CPCB focuses on pollution monitoring at the national level but not specifically in wildlife sanctuaries, ঠিক আছে। So statement 3 is not correct. 1 2 correct হয়। 4 to কি কৈছে international data indicates that over 80% of ranger fatalities worldwide between 2006 and 2021 occurred in Asia and Africa. So statement 4 is also correct. 1 2 and 4 only will be the correct answer, that is option B. Next কি কৈছে exercise Siom Prahar. So Indian Army exercise Siom Prahar conduct korile kot korile Tezpurot korile from September 8 to 10th, ঠিক আছে। মনত ৰাখিবা focusing on the integration of drone technology in modern tactical operation. So main focus to ki drone technology include kora into modern tactical operation, ঠিক আছে। The exercise validated new techniques and procedures for battlefield covering persistent surveillance, reconnaissance and precision strikes and joint targeting, ঠিক আছে। It highlights the transformative role of drones in operational preparedness and enhancing combat effectiveness. এটা MCQ now. With reference to exercise Siom Prahar, consider the following statement. Fighter statement correct হয় চাব লাগে। It was conducted by Indian Army to test drone technology in tactical operation. এটো correct হয়। কিহৰ কাৰণে conduct কৰা হৈছিলে conduct কৰিছিলে Indian Army conduct কৰিছিলে কিহৰ কাৰণে to test integration of drone technology in tactical operation, ঠিক আছে। তো কি কৈছে the exercise focus on developing and validating techniques and procedures for future battlefield. So exercise to কিহত focus কৰিছিলে developing and validating নতুন techniques আৰু procedures for future battlefields, ঠিক আছে। 2 to correct হয়। 3 to কি কৈছে it conducted jointly by India and United States as a part of Indo-Pacific military cooperation. So এটো not correct, এটো joint military exercise নহয়, এটো solely Indian Army conduct কৰিছে। So statement not correct. 4 to কি কৈছে the exercise included employment of drones for both surveillance and precision strike role. So etu correct hoy 1 2 and 4 will be the correct answer, option. Thanks. ST status to 6 groups. So, Assam Chief Minister announced that the government is moving ahead with positive approach towards granting ST status to 6 ethnic groups of the state. So, Assamar Chief Minister কি কৰিছে announce কৰিছে যে government এটা positive move লৈছে কি grant কৰাত ST status grant কৰাত to 6 ethnic um, six ethnic groups of the state. কোনকেইটা group? Moran, Motok, Tai Ahom, তাৰপিছত T tribe and Kush Rajbanshi. হেৰিকেইটা মনত ৰাখিবা, ethnic groups কেইটা মনত ৰাখিবা, 6টা ethnic groups দিব বুলি কৈছে ST status কোনকেইটা? Moran, Motok, Tai Ahom, তাৰপিছত T tribe আৰু Kush Rajbanshi. ঠিক আছে, a group of ministers has been formed to study the issue. এই ইস্যুটো পঢ়িবৰ কাৰণে এটা group of minister form কৰা হৈছে, and the report will be tabled in the assembly session in November 2025. report to কেতিয়া দিব? In the assembly session in November 2025. The step comes amid the large rallies in Tinsukia and Dhubri by these communities demanding ST status. So এতিয়া Tinsukia, Dhubri এনেকুৱা rallies হৈ আছে, protest type হৈ আছে, ST status demand কৰি. So হেতু কাৰণে এটো approach এতিয়া লোৱা হৈছে, ঠিক আছে? So এটা MCQ চাও আমি. So with reference to criteria for granting ST status in India, consider the following statements. কোনটা correct আমি চাব লাগে. The Constitution of India explicitly defines the criteria for identifying a community as a tribe. Eto correct নহয়. Criteria mention nathake, ঠিক আছে? The Constitution does not define criteria. It only provides the power to notify STs. ঠিক আছে? ইয়াত একো criteria define কৰি থোৱা নাই, ঠিক আছে? Constitution. So statement 1 is not correct. 2 কি কৈছে? The Lokur Committee 1965 outlined the criteria such as traits, distinctive culture, geographical isolation, shyness of contact and backwardness. Eto correct hoy. So the Lokur Committee outline কৰিছে criteria such as trait, তাৰপিছত distinctive culture, geographical isolation, shyness of contact and backwardness. আছে 2 to correct হয়. 3 to কি কৈছে? The power notify a community as a scheduled tribe lies it with the president, but parliament can amend the list to law. এটো correct হয়. তাৰ ওচৰত আছে power, presidentৰ ওচৰত আছে statement correct. 4 to কি কৈছে? Only community residing in and forested region are eligible for ST status under constitution provision. Eto completely wrong hoy. Hilly okol hilly aru forested region nohoy eto eku enokwa heri nai, ঠিক আছে? So statement 4 is not correct. 2 and 3 the correct answer, that is option A. Surveys on household. So the National Statistics Office under the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation will conduct 2 measure national surveys between July 2026 and June 2027. So 2টা measure national survey কৰা হ'ব between কেতিয়াৰ পৰা July 2026 and June 2027. The survey gita ki hobo? All India Debt and Investment Survey and the Situation Assessment Survey of Agricultural Household. That's egita survey kora hobo. These surveys are nationally representative, provide vital data for policy making, and will update assessment last carried out in 2019. So last ketia kora hoisile? 2019 ot kora hoisile. Tar pisot etia ke data update hua nai, etia ako kora pisot data update hobo, hoy nai? And it will be helpful for policy making, okay? So here related data MCQ now. Sarita statement dise kungita correct ho kobo lage. The All India Debt and Investment Survey involves from the All India Rural Credit Survey conducted in 1951 and 52. So it is correct. It traces back to the All India Rural Credit Survey of 1951 and 52 ঠিক আছে so one is correct two to কি কৈছে the last AIDS was conducted in 2019 77 round at the request of Reserve Bank of India so কেতিয়া কৰিছিলে last 2019 ত কৰিছিলে এতিয়া আকৌ June 2026 ত start কৰিব হয় না so 2 is correct 3 to কি কৈছে the situation assessment survey of agricultural household was first conducted in 2003 and later expanded in 2013 and updated in 2019 statement 3 is also correct to ki koise both AIDS and SAS are conducted annually to provide real time inputs or national accounts and credit policy eto not correct annually to nokore hetu ami gom paise karon last ketia korisile 2019 ot korisile etia ago June 2020 ot koribo so it is not annual so statement 4 is not correct 2 and 3 only will be the correct answer that 2 and 3 option in it 2 and 3 option in idile june ppt banaisile kintu 2 and 3 only will be the correct answer ঠিক আছে মই দি দিছো that 1 and 2 that and so so option A will be the correct oh sorry mure bhul hol so 1 2 3 correct asile hoy na first to more wrong boli bhabi asu sorry the 1 2 3 correct asile 4 to wrong hoy so state option B would be the correct answer sorry my bad of distracted hoy okay I apologize okay next Dr. Manmohan Singh so former Prime Minister and noted economist Dr. Manmohan was posthumously honored with the PV Narasimha Rao Memorial Award for Economics. Ki award dia hoise PV Narasimha Rao Memorial Award for Economics. Thik ase the award instituted by PV Narasimha Rao Memorial Foundation Hyderabad recognizes his immense contribution to India's economic reforms liberalization and nation building. The award was conferred by Montek Singh Aluwalia and received by his wife Gursaran Kaur at the ceremony in New Delhi. So, the award dia hol PV Narasimha Rao Memorial Award for Economics dia hol কোনে কনফাৰ কৰিছে মন্টেক সিং আলুৱালিয়া আৰু ৰিচিভ কৰিছে তেওঁ ৱাইফে গুৰচৰণ কৌৰ ঠিক আছে আৰু এই এৱাৰ্ডটো দিবলৈ ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰিছিলে PV নৰসিম্হা ৰাও মেমৰিয়েল ফাউণ্ডেশ্যনে হায়দৰাবাদত ঠিক আছে ৰাখিবা এইকেইটা এটা চাওঁ so কোনকেইটা কাৰেক্ট হয় চাব লাগে চাৰিটা ষ্টেটমেণ্ট এবাউট the PV নৰসিম্হা ৰাও মেমৰিয়েল এৱাৰ্ড ফৰ ইকনমি আছে it is constituted by the Ministry of Finance নাই লগে লগে ভুল হয় নাই not by Ministry of Finance Government of India in honor of PV Narasimha Rao's role in liberalizing the Indian economy. So statement 1 is not correct. It is not instituted by Ministry of Finance. So I mean already said instituted by PV Narasimha Rao Memorial Foundation. Okay? So statement 1 is not correct. To Dr. Manmohan mostly awarded this honor in contribution to economic transformation. So 3 to ki koise the award is conferred annually Hyderabad by PV Narasimha Rao Memorial Foundation. Etu correct hoy. Annually dia hoy etu. Tabisat Montek Singh Aluwalia, former deputy chairman of the planning committee, conferred the award in its latest edition. The award Dr. Manmohan award দিয়া হৈছিলে হেতু কোনে কনফাৰ কৰিছিলে তেওঁ কৰিছিলে মনৰ ৰাখিবা ষ্টেটমেন্ট 4 is correct 2 3 and 4 only will be correct okay okay here is the main question তোমালোকে স্ক্ৰিপ্টত লৈ ল'ব পাৰিবা আৰু প্ৰেক্টিছ কৰিবা that's all for today আকৌ কাইলৈ লগ পাম thank you please do practice the main